Hello once again, this is Mark Ellis with PhotoshopTrainingForum.com, where we teach you how to use Photoshop in a clear and concise manner. Today we're going to learn how to open a file with Adobe Photoshop. And there's 2 or 3 different ways you can do this. The main way is to go to your menu up here in the upper left hand corner and click on File. And then you click Open. And there you will be presented with a list of all of your files in that particular directory. Now, depends on where you have your files located on your hard drive. And if you don't know about that, all you have to do is, this is my F drive. Here's a list of all of my files. I've been saving all of my files in this file called Photoshop, which is right here. And then I have my list of all of my Photoshop files. Now, there is a little bit of a problem. You have to scroll down like this to see all of the Photoshop files that you have, and in some cases, if the pictures haven't loaded yet, you've got to wait for them to load like this, and you'll see nothing but Photoshop icons for a while until that happens. However, there's a better way of doing this, and it's a lot more concise. Go up here to the very top of your screen along the application bar, and here you have a link to Adobe Bridge. And look at this. You have an opening of all of these pictures, and you can scroll down them very easy. And it's very, very convenient to see what you have in Adobe Bridge by just going down and scrolling through all of these pictures. It's a great way of doing it. You can also go to any directory you want to and look for Photoshop pictures and others that you've used in the past. It's a great organizer. So Adobe Bridge, great way to organize your pictures. Okay. Now let's open up a picture through Adobe Bridge, and you do it the same way in File as you would do in Adobe Bridge. You just simply double click on your image that you want, and it will open up in Photoshop. And that's just how easy it is. The main thing to remember about Adobe Bridge is, if you go into your regular files, if you go to a regular file like on your F drive, okay, and I go to my Photoshop file, which is where I keep all my Photoshop pictures right here, I double click on it. Look what I have. I have nothing to look at but these icons, because if you're not using Photoshop or Bridge, everything that was labeled as a PSD file, which is a Photoshop file, will look just like this. However, all PSD files will render so you can see what the pictures are in Adobe Bridge. That's another thing that's so convenient about this. Usually when people save files, and we're going to get into saving files in a little bit here. So once again, this has been Mark Ellis with PhotoshopTrainingForum.com, where we show you in a clear and concise manner how to use Photoshop. God bless and have a great day.